A unboxing of the Scorpion AT950. This is my old Sparks helmet that I used to ride with when I would run a street bike. This helmet's about 15 years old, so it's time to upgrade to a dual sport helmet since I'm going to be riding a dual sport moving forward. So like I said, here's my old helmet. I also have an old dirt bike helmet, and it's probably about 20 years old. So it's time to upgrade to something more up to date, more safety features. So look at my old helmet. It was ECE and DOT certified. So let's get in on the unbox. All right, so it comes in this yellow and black silver box. Let's see what we got when we open it up. All right, so right off the bat, you can see it comes in this helmet bag. That's pretty sweet. It'd be nice to kind of throw it in that whenever you're not riding. That way, kind of protects it, keeps dust off of it if you keep it in your garage, any bugs. Especially on the East Coast in the springtime, we get stink bugs and they like to crawl into everything. There's really nothing else in the box. Move the old helmet out the way. All right. I did a lot of research before I bought this helmet. I was also looking at the Arai, one of the Arai dual sport helmets. I just could not justify spending $600 some, even though I have used an Arai helmet in the past and it was super comfortable. I just did not want to spend that money. So this one I paid, I think it was about $290 for it. All the reviews I read and also YouTube videos I watched, everyone was pretty happy with it. All right, so here it is, Scorpion EXO. This is the dual pane one, so good for using it in the wintertime, if you have a snowmobile, or if you ride your dual sport in the winter, which I plan to do. It'll kind of help keep, not only does it help prevent fogging, but it also helps kind of retain the heat inside. And the reason I went with the dual sport, a couple reasons. One, if I decide to get a sports bike again, I could, pop the visor off, or pop the, whatever this is called, pop this off and use it as a street bike helmet. But also I can use it as a dirt bike helmet. So this one is also DOT certified. It is not Snell certified, and that's because it's a modular helmet, and the way they do their drop tests, this modular helmet actually will pop open, but I think they do 3 drop tests and it has to land right here, and apparently it doesn't hold up after numerous drops, so I'm not too worried about that. On the inside, you can see it comes with the paperwork, and also if you do pop the shield visor, I cannot think of what this is called right now. If you do pop that off, then you can put these plates on the side. Put the plates on the side here. Nope. If you do pop off the visor, then you can put these plates on the side and then use your goggles, regular goggles. So that was another reason I went with the dual sport helmet, specifically the Scorpion, because pop this visor off and still use goggles with this. And in addition, this one also comes with the sun visor built in, So let's see here. Push that on the side, and you see you get this to pop down. So you don't have to wear your sunglasses. Sunglasses are kind of finicky whenever you have a helmet on, trying to pop them on and off. You can just use the built-in sun visor, which is pretty freaking cool. And you can use it in addition to having the visor or without the visor even. To bring up the chin. So if you want to take a drink, or if you're refueling or want to talk to somebody, you pull it with your thumb and then push up, and you're able to have a conversation. Let your face breathe a little bit without popping your helmet off every single time. So that's also an awesome feature with this helmet. I was torn if I wanted the dual pane helmet, but when it came down to it, all the reviews I read says it doesn't really affect, if you wear it in the summertime, it doesn't really have any issues. So I decided to go with that. And also there was no single pane style visors for sale in this helmet. So that was another reason. I think this helmet looks pretty slick. This is the Outrigger schematic on it. Here's your vent holes, and you can just pop it just a little bit. No, you can't. Never mind. If you have any questions about this helmet, just let me know. I can try to do a better review on it or answer any questions. It does come with the paperwork with it. I'll have to dig into that and see if there's anything special I need to be aware of. On my next video, I plan to do a review or an overview of my Dual Sport that I purchased. I did buy a used bike, and it came with several upgrades with it already. I do plan to do an overview of the bike and some additional videos as well. So any thoughts or comments, please drop them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.